We built our dreams with unity. Through every challenge that we face, we show the world our strength and grace. Reaching higher than before, opening every future door. Step by step we find our way, going further every day. When the road is long ahead, we lift each other up instead. With courage shining in our eyes, we reach beyond the skies. Majulah Singapura, go beyond. Side by side, growing strong. With hope in our hearts, we carry on, building dreams forevermore. Majulah Singapura, go beyond. Hand in hand where we belong. With courage and love we're moving on, building dreams forevermore. Every neighbor, every friend, a helping hand that never ends. In every kindness that we share, we show the world how much we care. Dreaming big.